Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to rename the app folders. So here you can see I already created one folder starting C. This is the name. Now if you want to rename this one, tap on the folder. Then just tap on the folder name. Here you have to enter the new name. Okay. After this one, tap on done. Now successfully we changed the app name. So simply in this way we can customize the folder name for better organization. It helps quickly identify grouped applications. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.